Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to create an e-commerce dashboard in Google Data Studio, formerly known as Looker Studio. Let's add data. We are going to use sample GA4 data which is provided by Google to practice. Click on GA4 connector, then demo account and the GA4 merge shop and add data. Wait for it to load the data. Here we go. Data is visible in Data Studio. First, rename the dashboard. Let's rename it to e-commerce dashboard. Now let's add a header to the dashboard by adding a text box. Now let's add the header e-commerce store. Let's style our header, change font size and make it bold. Now let's add a date range control to see specific duration data. Now let's change the theme of our report from theme and layout. Go with this one. And now let's set title and control according to theme. And now add border color to the date range control. Now let's add a KPI scorecard and resize it. This will represent number of sessions made. Change it to compact number. Style the scorecard. Change font size and alignment of font to the center. Now also add. Now let's copy and paste the scorecard. This will now show total number of transactions made. Let's copy and paste it one more time. Let's add a calculator field to represent ECR or e-commerce conversion rate. Use the formula sum of transactions divided by number of transactions. And this is going to be percentage and click on apply. And here it is showing ECR of the data. Let's copy and paste the scorecard one more time and add a calculated field average order value. And now use the formula sum of purchase revenue divided by sum of transactions, and it is going to be currency. Let's choose USD. and click Apply. Here the scorecard representing average order value. Now let's copy the scorecard one more time. Now this will represent total revenue, and now let's rename the title to revenue. Let's align the KPI cards to the center and resize the visuals. Now let's add a time series chart to our dashboard. This will show comparison between sessions and new users over time. Let's style our chart, choose colors for the lines. Now let's add border color and border shadow to the dashboard. Let's add another chart. This time go with the bar chart. Now let's resize it little. This will show total revenue and session comparisons for each device category. Let's style the chart and change colors of bars. Let's add a border shadow and border color to the chart. Now let's add a donut chart and resize it little. This will show purchase made by different genders. Now resize the charts and add border shadow and border color. Let's resize the page. Click on page and current page setting and set the width to 1300 pixels. Now let's resize the charts based on the width of the dashboard. Let's add a table to the dashboard and resize it. Now this table will show sources and sessions and total revenue from each sources. Let's style the table, hide row numbers and add border color and border shadow. Now let's add a map to the report and resize it little. This will show number of transactions made from each countries. Now let's style the map, add border color and shadow to the map. Now let's see our dashboard in view mode. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.